Hello, John. What are you up to? I was just looking at the old school photo album. There's Pansy Watson. I bet he was one of those fucking homosexuals. Not at all. He was captain of the rugby team. His nickname came from tending the school garden. He particularly loved the pansies. It's Gay Gordon Harris. I bet he was one of those fucking homosexuals. No, wrong again. He was a prop in the rugby team, but his love of Scottish dancing gave him his nickname. Here's Fairy Cake Collins. Now I bet he were one of those fucking homosexuals. Couldn't be further from the truth. Hardest lad at school, but he baked the best fairy cakes this side of Hadrian's Wall. Oh look, it's Chaffer Norris. Don't tell me he got his nickname because he loved to play with his train set. No, queer as an iron bob. Loved it up the chuff box.